Carey with DrillFit training here at Legend Barbell. I'm on the Panatta Smith dual system machine. This is for decline and flat bench press. There's two different adjustments on the machine. One of them is behind me over here to my left, and it changes the machine from decline to flat bench. And the other one is this lever here, and it moves the whole seat forward and back, putting it into a position where we need to be for the movement. Whenever you're doing a flat bench press, you really want your elbows at a 45-degree angle, and your wrist should line up right with the bottom of your chest. Leaning back into the machine, it works like a regular Smith machine. So when you go to pick up the handles, lift, and you have to curl backwards to take them off of the pegs. And then we're gonna come down. Elbows are lining up right with or slightly below the body, and then press straight back up. This machine is very smooth. It does get heavy really fast, but it is an excellent machine. When you're done, press back to the top and then curl the handles back to put them back on the pegs. This machine is awesome. As far as I know, so far, no one is really feeling shoulder impingements like you do on some machines. Excellent chest machine. Definitely add this into your next workout.